Hello and welcome back. Once upon a time, there was an old man who lived at the foot of big two mountains. These two mountains were blocking this old man from reaching to his work. One day he decided that he's going to remove the two mountains with his bare hands. He told that to his village. Everyone in his village was laughing at him. In the beginning, they could not believe that an old man will remove two mountains. He started working every day with his bare hands. When his two sons saw him working hard, they decided to join his work. So a day by day, a week by week, a month by month, and a year by year, they kept working persistently. And then after many years of persistence and determination, with the help of his two sons, he was finally successful to remove the mountains and proceed to his work. The moral of the story is, with determination, persistence, and hard work, one can overcome the hardest and greatest of obstacles out there. And the story also tells us the importance of working collaboratively to achieve one important goal, no matter how daunting the task will be. Have a wonderful day.